Well, a big switch up in the weather. Out of the wet stuff, the showers, the thunderstorms, not so much anymore. A lot more sunshine, at least for today. Looks like for tomorrow and the next couple of days after that. We'll get involved with the reason why in just a quick second, but we do need to discuss what's going on in the tropics. Two disturbances. We're continuing to monitor them. One down around the southeastern Caribbean. It's got about a 10% chance by the National Hurricane Center down in Miami of becoming a tropical depression or storm within the next 48 hours. So we're going to continue to monitor that one. It is moving towards the northwest at about 20 miles per hour. And I know this one's kind of silly. You can hardly see, but it's this right here. It's a little bit of rotation. Same deal. 10% chance within the next 48 hours of becoming some type of a tropical depression and or storm. And it is moving as well towards the west and a little bit towards the northwest at about 15 miles per hour. So two disturbances we're going to continue to monitor, but at least for the time being, they will not be affecting the Big Bend region. What we've been affected by here across the southeast has been the sunshine. A little bit of shower activity was involved around our southeastern regions. Not so much anymore. We're really starting to clear out for North Florida, South Georgia and Alabama. Temperatures, they're starting to die down, but still a little bit on the warm side. 79 degrees in Tallahassee, same deal in Valdosta and in Moultrie, 77 in Perry, and off to the west and towards the southwest, a little bit warmer, 80 degrees in Apalachicola. One of the cooler spots, Dothan, Alabama, around 74 degrees, Marianna around 75, and we are expecting to see the low 70s, and some of you in South Georgia, around Albany, you're expected to see the upper 60s as we make it into the early morning hours. I love that. I wish we were going to see that around Tallahassee. Unfortunately, we'll stay around 71, 72 as we get into the early morning hours. We're really starting to clear out. Check this out. The southeast, not too shabby. Central Florida still getting a decent amount of cloud cover, a little bit of shower activity. That's a stationary front that started to roll into their area about 8 hours ago and started to stick around. So they'll continue with a little bit of the moisture, but what we have is a little bit of dry air in the mid and upper levels of the atmosphere. So that's one hindrance of the shower activity involved with this afternoon. But on top of that, we've got two areas of high pressure. One just off to the north around the central mid-Atlantic states. We're talking Tennessee, the Kentucky area, but also down to the south around the Gulf of Mexico. We've got another large high pressure system trying to develop. So you put the two together and it's really going to help hinder the shower activity. Now, these high pressure systems, just like that air, is in the mid and upper levels. Down at the surface, we still got ourselves a sea breeze. So we're going to continue with the rain chance. It's just going to be on the smaller side. And this is what I'm talking about. Your 7-day forecast, we're keeping it only at about a 30% chance. And that's going to be tops for the next couple of days here. As we get into Thursday, we decrease the intensity of those high pressure systems and we start to get a stronger sea breeze effect out of the Gulf, which will increase our rain chances and decrease those temperatures. Unfortunately, mid and upper 90s is going to be expected for the next few days. And with this moisture still involved with the Big Bend, heat indices, check this out, Ty, 103 to 110, the feel-like temperature. It's going to be warm out there.
That's hot. And a little bit of rain sprinkled in.
And a little bit of rain involved, so make sure you have that umbrella too, just in case. And at the same time, stay hydrated, stay cool out there.
Thank you very much, Mr. Bennett. Up next, Dave Griffiths will have all of your sports.